Which material you find everywhere? Chair to charger, you find them. Pipe to pen, you find them. Helmet to headphones, you find them. Switch to suitcase, bucket to blender, laptop to ladder, bottle to battery, drone to dishwasher, cooler to circuit board, automobile to aerospace, defense to devices, laptop to level sensors, toys to televisions. You name it, any item for that matter, and you will find them inside. Yes, are you looking for a job or a good business proposal? For next 10 years, this industry will deliver the most in terms of employment as well as business. These products are everywhere. You will find, yes, you got it right. I am referring to that wonder material called plastics, which no other material can compete with in terms of recyclability, flexibility, and usage against extreme, challenging and demanding conditions. Did you know that plastics industry in India is set to boom like never before? Over the next 10 years, this sector will unlock massive opportunities and fueling job creation and driving new business to unprecedented heights. Whether you are an entrepreneur or a job seeker or an investor, this is your chance to ride the wave of India's next big industrial revolution. Stick around and I will show you why plastics hold the key to a brighter future for millions. Hi, I am Amit and I provide industry and career insights on regular basis which are extremely useful for both existing or would-be employees and employers. India's plastic manufacturing industry is poised for significant growth in 2025, driven by increasing demand domestically and export opportunities and substantial investments. Market growth projections. The Indian plastic market is projected to reach $46.48 billion in 2025 with expectation to grow at a compound annual growth rate CAGR exceeding 6.5%, reaching $52.72 billion by 2030. Key growth drivers. Rising domestic consumptions. The surge in e-commerce and consumer goods sectors has amplified the need for plastic packaging and products. The packaging segment alone is estimated to be valued at $21.77 billion in 2025 with a projected CAGR of 3.09% through 2030. Export expansion. India's plastic exports have shown robust growth with May 2024 exports valued at $1048 billion, making an 11.5% increase from the previous year. Foreign investments. Global companies are recognizing India's potential. Belgium firm Alexis SA plans to invest over 1,800 crores Indian rupees in 3 new manufacturing facilities, aiming to make India its largest market by 2030. Challenges and opportunities. Despite the positive outlook, the industry faces challenges such as labor shortages and power supply issues. However, these challenges are being addressed through increased automation and technological advancements. So if you summarize, 2025 is said to be a pivotal year for India's plastics manufacturing sector, with substantial growth driven by domestic demand, export opportunities and significant investments. Thanks for being patient and listening to me.
Thank you and see you in the next video.